Y'all, today we're gonna be playing in color because I never really play in color. I'm very like neutral. I do like colors on my clothes but not on my hair, so I wanted to try some pink hair for Valentine's Day, and so this is the wig that I decided to get. It was only $19 off of Amazon, and I felt like this was a great steal. So right now I'm gonna style this hair because it's not completely how I want, and I don't believe that you could put heat on this hair. So what I'm gonna do is just like, you know, do a little stuff to it, just a tad bit. But there is a part right here. So let me give you all the deets to this hair. This hair is about 22 inches long, I believe. It goes a little bit past my bust. It does have a part in the middle. It's very manufactured, so you know for sure that it's completely like fake. The hair is synthetic, and I don't believe that you can put heat on this hair. So this hair does not come with instructions, and I know for a fact that it's synthetic. I don't know what brand this is, but it did come with the item number. If you guys want to try to test this hair out, the link will be below. It is from Amazon, so the link is below in the description box. Okay, so for one thing, I don't like the fact that it is a cone at the top, and we have to get rid of this little thing here. So let me go ahead and get some makeup so I can like cover this because it's way too white. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use this Photo Focus by Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna use this for the part. Little details do matter when you're trying to make something look good, especially something cheap like this. You guys, the mirror is hella far, so I have to look at the mirror past this camera, so it's a little bit further. Just bear with me. Let me tell you guys the pros to this hair. It literally has a really good curl pattern. It's not like the synthetic hair that you normally get with another synthetic unit like Sensational wigs or Freetress wigs. It's not like that. This is a little bit more of a cheaper product, but at the same time, I love the way the curls lay, so that's one thing I do like about it. I like that it kind of has a part though. So these bangs are super dope to me. The way they're feathered is really dope. I really like the way these bangs are feathered. They just happen to be a little too long, just not showing my eyebrows at all, and I don't like my eyebrows to be covered. I wish I had a closer mirror. Hold on one second. With this hair, you can literally play with these bangs in so many different ways. Are pretty lit. Like the way that they cut this hair, ain't nobody touching these bangs. Like if you really see how nice these bangs are cut, I've never seen bangs this nice. But we're gonna have to go ahead and cut this. So I'm thinking about but they did do a really good job on these bangs. They really did. I'm gonna try to put some glosser on here because it is a little dry. The color of this is kind of like an ash pink. I like it a little bit with the glosser on it because it's a little dry, just a little bit. You know, the good thing about this hair is that it's not like super glossy, and that's kind of a good thing because if it was super glossy, it would look hella cheap, but since it's not that glossy, it kind of is still realistic. But to me, it was a little bit too dry, so I had to do a little bit of gloss, not a lot. So it's good that I could put my own gloss and shine to it without it like being super crazy. I'm gonna actually put some hairspray at the top. Hairspray is really good when you have synthetic hair to make it lay down just a little bit better. Yeah, you can also hairspray your brush and then brush it. So this is what it looks like so far. Pink hair, who's this? So this is all I'm really gonna do to this hair because there's not much that you can do to this hair. It is a synthetic unit and it's already styled the way it's styled. You can't put heat on this, so therefore you can't really do a lot to it. I wouldn't try to put heat on this unit because it doesn't seem as sturdy as other wigs like Sensational or Freetress. This hair is pretty much as is. Either you're gonna love it or you're gonna hate it, but it's pretty much already in the state that it can go in. You can't do much with this hair as far as styling. It has to kind of stay in the style that it is because it has bangs and you can't move the bangs, and the side edges right here, you can see it. You can't really blend your own hair into this hair because it's pink hair, and secondly is because it's just like a full-on cap underneath there. So there's not much you can do. It's not like you can pull this hair up. You can even cut this into a bob, which would probably be really cute if it was like a little bit shorter, but I like it pretty long, and I think it's really good for a Halloween look. And it's also really good if you just want to change up your look and see what a certain color would look like. So I really like that about it. I like the length of this hair as well. I love the fact that it has the ombre effect to it, so it doesn't make it look super artificial like it already is. So I like that it makes it very wearable to like really rock some pink hair if you really wanted to, and any type of skin tone can actually rock this because of the ombre. The other things that I don't like about this hair, this thing can slip off. Like you can just literally, somebody can literally just pull this off your head. So you do not want to be caught up like that to where you literally get this pulled off your head by accident. So you have to put some type of clips in there. Secondly, I don't like that it's not as dense. It doesn't have a lot of density to it. It's very thin, and I think it could use a little bit more volume just to make it, this is all the hair it is. Just this much, that's it. Because the curl pattern is pretty fire. A loose wave kind of. If it was thicker, it would be much more like child. Like this would be, oh my gosh, it would be the ish. So where can you get pink hair, ombre, and 22 inches? $19. I'll wait. This make me want to put on my Valentine's Day clothes, lookbook that's coming up, and just really sport this hair. I'm feeling really confident to go outside like this. Like really, like girl, no, I am not going outside like this, but it's cute. So that is the end of my tutorial. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up, and make sure you drop a comment below telling me if you would rock pink hair or not, or even buy this unit. And also make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.